Morning guys, today I'm going to be tying a Hutch's Pennel. It's a fly from Orkney, first tied by Ian Hutcheon from Hackle. So in the vise I've got the Fario Wetfly hook, size 12, barbless, black nickel. The thread I'll be using is a uni thread in black 8/0. So I'll run the thread down the hook. So as you know, I work in Orkney, so I'm going to be fishing there this year again with my good mate Sandy. So I'm going to tie a few of these up. So there's a silver tag in this, so just put silver Mylar in and just take this down the body. Just take it slightly round the bend and come back up. Now just tie that in and cut off the waist. And for the tail we're using the golden pheasant tippet feather. So just cut 4 or 5 fibres. And just tie this in just roughly around the black bit. Just pull that in. And cut off the waist. And for the rib we're using silver wire, just a fine silver wire. And for the body we're using peacock herl. 2 strands of this. As usual I've got one butt up and one tip up. I like to keep the body kind of level. Just tie this in. Now it's a nice early season fly this, when the midge is hatching up there. It's very popular. I see some of the guys put different coloured tags in them as well. I've seen magenta tags, but the original fly is a silver tag. So I've just took the peacock herl and wound it under the body. Just tie that in, cut off the waist and just bring up the rib. Nice even turns. Catch your rib, hold it tight and sugar it off. And there's 2 hackles in this, there's a black one and the white one. So just select a hackle suitable for a size 12. And tie it, a hen hackle, black. Just cut off the tip. And hackle pliers for this one. Two turns of the black. 1, 2, just brushing it back as you turn it round. Catch that in. Just broke off there, but I was kind of lucky with that one. So that'd be a good fly as it is just now, but this fly has a white hackle, so again a white hen hackle. Select a hackle suitable for a size 12. This is the whiting hen, it's a 4B cape. That's quite good. And again just get the feather by the tip and just cut off the tip and tie it in. And again, hackle pliers. So just brushing the hackle back, I just want one turn, one full turn. There we go. And just tie that off. Oops, fell off the eye there. Got off the waist. And just holding everything back and tidy up the head. So it's what finish. So you can tie these in 10s, 12s, whatever suits your fancy. But I quite like the 12s. Bit of varnish. So it's a good flying Harry loch, this one. Like I say, early season when you've got the midge hatching. So that's it, guys. So that's the Hutch's Pennel, and I hope you enjoyed that one, and I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.